If you are looking for auto collision repair near Norridge, Illinois, you have come to the right place. Tom and Jerry's Auto Body, we specialize in repairing vehicles that have been involved in collisions. Our technicians assess the damage to your car, focusing on the body, paint, and structural integrity. We straighten frames, replace panels, and match paint colors to restore your vehicle to its pre-accident condition. Trust Tom and Jerry's Auto Body for all your collision repair needs. Call us today for an estimate on your auto collision repair near Norridge, Illinois.